Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we're going to see a new company called Westrock, and they have huge openings as you can see here for multiple openings in operation, maintenance, sales, supply chain and many more. If you are interested, stay tuned. I'm going to walk you out two job posts, and one in this video and another one in this coming video. And this company is worldwide company. They are top MNC company. In this profile they have huge openings. If you are interested, stay tuned. For latest update, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. In our channel I do upload tons of new videos regarding immigration process, job post and new latest update about immigration for countries like Canada, UK, Australia to save your valuable money. And but don't forget to please share, like and comments me below. To love to hear from you. And now I'm going to have a new announcement for our viewers. Finally, now we are stepping into a social media Instagram platform. Please follow that too for latest update. I will be updating in that too, and we'll have a interaction each other and share our thoughts with the people and in order to help them, and the link is in the description box below. Okay, now I have given this link in the description box below. After watching this video you can start applying. Don't skip this video or else you will not able to understand. Okay, now we're going to see what is the job description and eligibility criteria and what they offer if you selected. Now we'll see what's the title for this job. This is a management trainee job. This is exactly fresher jobs and any graduate can apply. Please take a note of it. Any graduate can apply. If you're in Canada, you can start applying for this location, and the location is, this is the location in Manitoba, and they have more openings in entire Canada. And you can sign up to this website and you can start watching as I've shown you before. And I'm going to bring a next video for the next job role on today or tomorrow. You just stay tuned for that too. Okay, now we'll see. This is an overview of that management trainee profile. So you just have a walkthrough before applying for this. And now we'll see what's the description. So first they have asked working with the various team in a structural design, quality, safety, converting sales to ensure through the understanding of each area in manufacturing. And then they have given again understanding of quality management system, customer information system, capital funding, production scheduling, loading, Kaizen and other essential project. And then act as a team leader and project manager for various analytical projects, and then drive customer satisfaction, and then achieve extraordinary result by leading actively engaged employees to make us the most respected facility in our industry, create a safe and actively engaged environmental that unlocks the potential of all our employees. And now we'll see what is the eligibility criteria. And they have asked for a bachelor's degree they have required, and then you need to have a keen interest in operation management, structural design, sales and all customer service. And then advanced leadership and performance management skill preferred, and then experience in CAD program preferred, ability to quick to changing work environment, strong attention to details, strong leadership skills and ability to communicate effectively with the employees at all levels, and then an interest in manufacturing or corrugated packaging, and then ability to organize and prioritize workload, strong focus on safety, motivated and self-starting and willingness to work hard and get involved, creative, energetic and willing to, and some travel and ability to work some of shifts. So these are the required details, eligibility criteria they required. And now we'll see what they offer if you got selected. A career with a global packaging company where sustainable safety and inclusion all the business drives and fundamental elements of daily program. In corporate culture, integrity, respect, accountability and excellence. In corporation training and with numerous learning and development opportunities will be given by them. So training will be providing by them, and an attractive salary reflecting skills, competence and potential, along with the competitive benefit package. So that's all guys. If you are interested, you can start applying for this. Please apply with your cover letter and resume to this site which they have given. And if you like this video is informative, give a thumbs up and comment me below it's informative, and share this to your friends and in your social media, the people who are awaiting for their jobs and who have got affected. Let's all together destroy the unemployment and make employment great country of Canada. And for more videos, please stay tuned with us, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.